Is it the duty of the loco pilot to clean the locomotive's windshields? Check out this video for more details. The dust kicking action by 12007, Chennai, Mysore, Shatabdi Express, skipping hoodie halt at flat 130 KMPH. All by RPM Map 7. Hi Railzone viewers, this is your Harris and welcome to yet another interesting video on my channel. Today I'm at the KSR Bengaluru railway station and the 12007 Chennai Mysuru Shatabdi Express has just arrived on platform number 6 of Bangalore city, and this train halts for 5 minutes at Bangalore for a quick crew change, meaning this train is operated by the loco pilots of Southern Railway Chennai division from Chennai Central to KSR Bengaluru, and they sign off from that duty at Bangalore city. From Bangalore to Mysuru, the Bangalore division loco pilots take over the train and they operate it from Bengaluru to Mysuru and back from Mysuru to Bengaluru. So this is how this train is operated, and the Shatabdi Express, being one of the high priority train, is operated by senior loco pilots who are well versed in that job and well experienced. So you can notice the Bengaluru division loco pilots are quickly inspecting the locomotive before they take over the train, and you can also see the crew change happening. The Chennai division loco pilots are getting down from the loco, and the loco pilots from Bengaluru are onboarding the locomotive. So you can see the Bengaluru division loco pilots are onboarding the locomotive and they will operate the train from Bangalore to Mysore. And if you have ever wondered who is responsible to clean the locomotive's windshield and headlamps, previously the loco pilots, the on-duty loco pilots, before the start of their duty, had to clean the windshields, the glasses and the headlamps, and ensure there is clear visibility from the cockpit before they start the journey. Few loco pilots used to clean it, few loco pilots were not cleaning it. It used to depend on the visibility and the cleanliness of the locomotive. This is a very inferior job for a loco pilot who drives the Shatabdi Express to clean the windshields. And today, for the very first time, I noticed a contract employee has been assigned the duty to clean the windshields of the locomotives at KSR Bengaluru station. So basically, his job is to make sure that the windshields are clean and there is clear visibility. The cleaning the windshield is just not about the aesthetics. It is very, very critical for the loco pilot and the assistant loco pilot to have a clear visibility from the cockpit so that they can spot the signals clearly and also keep a watch on the tracks, on the rails, for any kind of antisocial elements. And especially during night runs and during foggy days, the visibility is utmost priority. This is something great, and I hope this continues. And going forward, the loco pilots, especially the assistant loco pilot, they no longer have to take up this duty of cleaning. Their focus can entirely be on the technical aspects of the locomotive, the safety protocols, and they can mentally prepare for their duty. So within 5 minutes, the crew change happened, the locomotive got cleaned, and the train is all set for departure from Bengaluru to Mysore. Check out the 12008 Mysuru, Chennai, Shatabdi Express, skipping hoodie halt at flat 130 KMPH. And now you will understand why the locomotives need frequent windshield cleaning. I feel it is a very inferior job for a loco pilot to clean the windshields. Do let me know, what do you think? Should the loco pilots clean the locomotive themselves, or should every railway station or every main junctions should have a dedicated cleaner to clean the locomotive? Do let me know in your comments. That's all from this video. It was just a short video and I just felt like sharing this. I'll get back to you with yet another video. Until then, it's bye from Harris. Take care. Bye-bye.